The Fastening Features toolbar also contains a snap groove feature, a tool that automates the creation of the groove that corresponds to a snap hook. Because a groove will be defined based on an existing snap hook, you must first create a snap hook before you can use the snap groove feature. Also, a snap groove must be created on a different solid body than that which contains the snap hook. This can be done by having multiple bodies in a single part file, or by having two different components in an assembly. In this case, I'll be using a second solid body that is already in place. It's currently hidden, so I'll show it from the Solid Bodies folder in the Property Manager. To make this easier to see, I've also made this body transparent. One more thing before we add the snap groove. The existing snap hook must intersect the corresponding body. In other words, if we were to run an interference detection analysis on these bodies, we would see that the snap hook is interfering with the upper body. The need for this interference will be clear once we see how the snap groove is created, so let's move along and create it. I'll click the snap groove icon to launch the Snap Groove Property Manager. In the first field, we have to select the snap hook. I'll select the hook we've already created from the Feature Manager. Next, I'll select the solid body that we want to create the snap groove in, the upper transparent body in this case. Finally, I can modify the parameters of the groove using these fields. Once the values are entered, I'll click OK, and the snap groove is created. You can see how a cavity is made in the upper body. This is the reason there must be an interference between the snap hook and the corresponding solid body. It allows this cavity to be created based on the interference and, of course, the values you type in.